Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. And every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world. From hidden histories to global game changers, you're watching World Explorer Mind WEM. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to join our community. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Guyanese people have established vibrant communities around the world, particularly in countries like the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. They have successfully maintained and adapted their rich cultural traditions and practices, creating a unique Guyanese diaspora culture that is both a reflection of their heritage and an integration of their new environments. The melting pot of Guyanese culture, the culture of Guyana, is a fascinating blend of various influences, primarily from its diverse ethnic groups, Afro-Guyanese, Indo-Guyanese, and Amerindians, as well as European, Chinese, and Portuguese. This multiculturalism is evident in their language, religion, music, and cuisine. Language. While English is the official language, Guyanese Creole is widely spoken and is a key marker of Guyanese identity, often used in informal settings. Religion. The major religions are Christianity, Hinduism, and Islam. This religious diversity is openly celebrated, and it's common for festivals from different faiths to be observed across religious boundaries. Cuisine. Guyanese food is a flavorful mix of its various ethnic influences. Popular dishes include pepperpot, a spicy Amerindian stew, curries and roti from the Indo-Guyanese community, fried rice and chow mein from the Chinese community, and Christmas favorites like black cake and ginger beer. Key cultural traditions and festivals. Guyanese people around the world continue to celebrate the festivals and traditions that are central to their cultural identity. Mashramani, often called Mash, this is Guyana's Republic Day celebration on February 23rd. It's a vibrant festival with colorful parades, floats, and music, including calypso and soca competitions. Guyanese communities abroad often organize their own MASH events to commemorate this national holiday. Phagua, Holi. This is the Hindu festival of colors and has become a beloved national holiday in Guyana. People of all backgrounds participate, throwing colored powders and water on one another to celebrate the arrival of spring and the triumph of good over evil. Diwali, known as the Festival of Lights. This Hindu festival is another significant event. The Guyanese motorcade, featuring elaborately decorated and lit-up vehicles, is a unique and cherished tradition. Emancipation Day, celebrated on August 1st, this day marks the end of slavery and holds great significance for Afro-Guyanese people. It is commemorated with traditional folk games, artwork, and a focus on African heritage. Christmas, a highly celebrated time of year with preparations beginning weeks or even months in advance. A key tradition is the soaking of fruits in rum for black cake. Other Christmas staples include garlic pork and pepperpot. The tradition of making and sharing these foods is maintained in Guyanese homes worldwide. Kite flying, an iconic tradition on Easter Monday. Guyanese people, both in Guyana and abroad, gather in parks and open spaces to fly elaborate, often handmade kites. The Guyanese diaspora and cultural resilience. The Guyanese diaspora, driven by various factors, is a testament to the community's resilience and their commitment to preserving their culture. They have established organizations and community centers that serve as hubs for cultural events, language classes, and social gatherings. Extended family. The concept of extended family is extremely important in Guyanese culture, and this sense of community often extends to family, friends, and neighbors. This strong social fabric helps to maintain a sense of belonging and cultural identity, even when living thousands of miles away from their homeland. Food and music. Food and music are central to how Guyanese people express their culture abroad. Restaurants and home kitchens serve as places to share traditional dishes, and the sounds of calypso, soca, and chutney music are a staple at social events and celebrations. Folklore. Guyanese folklore, with its mix of African, Indian, and Amerindian beliefs, continues to be passed down through generations. Stories of mythical figures like the Old Hag and Obia are part of the cultural tapestry that connects Guyanese people to their roots. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of this content, please share your success story to help inspire others. Make sure to leave a comment. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one more stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind WEM.